But listen, one of those HPS people are going to leave within 6 months.
My cousin at Jeffrey said the same thing.
Or less, 3 months. They'll be gone. Like, I guarantee you, like, they don't, MBAs, especially out of Harvard, do not stick in one in one spot. And it's got to, guess what, the people with MBAs from HBS that are going into banking, they were probably consultants before, or they were in industry. They have no clue what's about to hit them.
Patrick, like these guys, their technicals are so rock solid. You can wake them up at like 3 a.m. and ask them to walk through like a heavy.
That sounds so fun.
I mean, you got to do what you got to do to get a job.
They're going to be, Shay, honestly, they're going to be gone. So like, if you can just like tread water and hang around and just keep being like, this is what I'm up to, get a job at a tiny boutique, whatever you have to do to pay the bills, just even if they're paying you $50K a year or whatever, who cares? Doesn't matter. Just get something that's somewhat related and just stay ideally somewhere close to them.